Welcome to MechTech 360. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Calibration is very important because the validity and working condition of these equipments and inspection tools will be very important. If we violating that one, it's a major violation. NCR will also will come. So we keep ensure that the instruments, the tools they are using, that would be within the validity or not. For example, for welding equipments and all, we will follow the standard for the calibration European nation 50504. So that much of reference code that you should have this knowledge. I attach some photos and all. Please go through that one. Thank you.